Speaking of electric vehicles, though, look at this. Look at this guy right here. The Taycan Cross Turismo, Spied with little to no camouflage. You know what Cross Turismo means, Will? Can you guess when you look at that image?
No. It can go cross country or something?
Yeah, it's got the hatchback on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you, instead of a trunk, you got a hatchback on it. And so it's going to be better for the road trip.
Oh. Yeah, it looks nice.
But it's still the same. It's basically the same car. It should have the same capabilities. In this particular article on Autoblog, they did mention it looks a little higher off the ground, but it's still a car, right? It's not an SUV. It's still a car, but you get the extra utility of the hatchback and the extra cargo space. And probably if you fold down those rear seats, you're going to have quite a bit of cargo space. I think it's pretty good looking.
Yeah.
It's not bad for what it is. I mean, I wouldn't trade it for a regular Taycan, but if it has similar performance figures with a little extra space back there, that's kind of cool.
Uh-huh.
What do you take, this or a Model Y?
I would take this.
You would
This
take
looks
that?
better, I think.
It looks better, yeah. It's
So-
lacking the autonomous features, but I think I agree. I think it looks a little less bulgy compared to the Model
it looks
Y.
like a bubble.
The Model Y is a very bubbly thing. However, I doubt this is going to have the same level of utility as the Y. It's going to be a little extra space, but I don't think the actual inside volume is going to increase quite as much. But I think it looks pretty cool. They've done this in the past. So they have a version of the Panamera, which is the Turismo, the Cross Turismo, I suppose, which has the hatchback as well. So there's a couple options, and I'm not surprised that they brought it to the Taycan as well.